If you don't have a lead nurture strategy for your small agency or online-based service business, you're in trouble. I'm gonna share what ours looks like in today's video. Let's get it going. Welcome back, guys. Greg Hickman here with Alt Agency at altagency.com, and we train and coach service providers on how to productize their service and transition to getting paid for their knowledge and expertise, not just their labor. One thing I want to talk about is what I call the ready buyer matrix. And this came from a study that said for every 100 leads that you get, that 50% of them will never buy from you ever, or really ever invest in a solution to the problem that they have. Of the other 50%, there are people that are now buyers, which is less than 90 days. And then we have later buyers, which is, greater than 90, really all the way out to 2+ years. I heard about this study on a podcast called More Cheese, Less Whiskers by Dean Jackson, who's one of the OGs in the online marketing space. There is the now buyers, which are less than 90 days. And of that, you're gonna have 15% of that 50 be a now buyer, which means that you have 85% of people that aren't going to buy or invest in a solution for the problem that brought them into your world for 90+ days, all the way out to 2+ years. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, what you'll notice is the money is in the follow-up. And so yes, you can have a funnel, you can have an outbound strategy, you can have all the things that will get the buyers that are here, which is great, you should do that. But what you will find, especially as you grow and scale, is that a lot of your income is actually coming from people that you've been nurturing over time. Obviously, time being greater than 90 days. I'm not trying to overlook the fact that you need a good system here, but we have other videos where we've talked about that. I want to just kind of cover one of the things that we're doing here inside the nurture game that has worked really, really well for us. So I wanted to share our nurture workflow. Now, our nurture workflow consists of communicating with our prospects and leads that we've captured from, say, paid advertising and or our organic, and make sure that we're following up and staying top of mind. So we do that. One, this G stands for Facebook group. We have a private free Facebook group that you've probably heard me promote and mention on this video. By the way, there's a link in the description to that group if you want to join. And we do some things in that group every single week. We have a post that goes out on Mondays that kind of talks about a specific topic or theme of that week. Then we do a live training on that topic on Wednesday that usually incorporates some sort of workbook. And on Friday, we drive people back to that workbook. Because there's so much activity in that group, oftentimes people will miss the video. And so we want to be able to start a conversation with folks inside the group through private messenger, linking them back to the training and the ability to download the workbook. Then we have our email list. So we capture emails from our YouTube channel, from paid ads, from organic social media. So every single day, there are leads coming into our world. And at a minimum, we send out an email on Tuesday, an email on Thursday, and an email on Sunday. Now, the email on Thursday usually drives to the earned media. And so earned media, I would consider this video, like YouTube. I come out every single week and record one video every single Thursday. I'm posting it in a way with the intention of earning your eyeballs and your trust. I've been posting at least one video every single week for over 3 years, and I've never missed a week. Now, the last piece is organic social media, which for us, this is leveraging micro content. So taking either short form snippets from this video on, slicing this video up each and every week and repurposing that on channels that there's activity at least every single day. So that video will go out to YouTube Shorts, IG, stories and reels. Then you have, it gets posted to Twitter, LinkedIn, and even we're moving into posting it on TikTok. But you have daily touches or almost daily touches from repurposed material. It could be 1 minute of a 10-minute video, and we're slicing that into small, valuable nuggets that can be repurposed across other channels. So for me, as a producer of this content, I'm really only showing up live here to record these videos. So as I'm recording this, I've already recorded 4 other videos, and I'm going to record 4 more. And I show up to teach once a week in our Facebook group every Wednesday. That's the heavy lifting for what I need to do as the owner right now. And from those assets produces the rest. And all of this content is really speaking to this group of people, this later audience, these people that are probably not going to buy for at least 90 plus days. Now, one key thing that I want to cover as a part of your nurture strategy, the goal of all of this is just sell the next step. We have sales conversations. All of our content usually drives to someone scheduling a call with a scale specialist on my team to have a conversation to see if we can even help you. And then that conversation goes to a larger conversation where we'll actually look at what's working in your business, what's not, and present you with an actionable plan. And obviously, if we can help you, we'll suggest what that looks like via one of our training programs. And if we can't, we'll do whatever we can to point you in the right direction. So for us, the next step is often just scheduling that first call. Sometimes it is, hey, click the link in the description of this video to join our free group, because like I said, if you're not in there, we drop free training once a week. If you're liking the content on this channel and you're not in this group, you're missing out on content that doesn't make its way onto this platform. So we're trying to have multiple platforms where we engage with our audience, but still at the same time keep it really simple. I'm really using two core pieces of content that for me are via video that then feed the other distribution channels that allow me to stay top of mind and keep adding value to the lives of those that probably won't invest in a solution to the problem that they have for 90 plus days. So if you are a service provider, small agency, consultant, what have you, and you don't have a nurture strategy, you should start putting one in place today, because the clients and future clients and leads will thank you for it, and so will your bank account. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and we'll see you in the next one. Until next time, check out one of the other videos on this channel. They should be popping up right now.